And good evening. It's great to have you with us on a very busy Wednesday night. I'm Tom Yamas, in for David. We begin now with breaking news and new reports of that highly contagious variant of COVID-19 in Colorado, and now a newly confirmed case in California as well. The coronavirus spreading out of control, more than 341,000 American lives lost. The U.S. closing in on 4,000 deaths per day. Colorado health officials say one case and a suspected second case of the variant were found in National Guard members deployed to a nursing home outside of Denver. A case also detected now in Southern California, where the number of daily hospitalizations in L.A. County have increased nearly 1,000% in 2 months. California now requesting the return of the U.S. Navy hospital ship the Mercy to help with the overflow of patients. And in New York City and Boston, church bells ringing at noon today, paying tribute to the hundreds of thousands of lives lost to the pandemic. ABC's Kaylee Hartung in California to lead us off.
Tonight, that new, more contagious variant from the UK now detected in the Golden State.
An hour or so ago, we were informed that this new variant, this new strain, has been identified here in the state of California.
In Colorado, officials revealing more details about the country's first confirmed case.
He's currently recovering in isolation, mild symptoms.
And now a possible second one there, though officials have not yet confirmed. Both are members of Colorado's National Guard, deployed last week to a small rural town to help the Good Samaritan Society nursing home amid a COVID outbreak. All 26 residents and a majority of the staff testing positive. Officials now investigating how the National Guard members were infected. Neither has a recent history of international travel.
We do not have evidence that the variant virus is circulating in that facility, but testing is ongoing.
Colorado officials using genetic sequencing to discover the variant, but this type of screening is not as widespread in the U.S. This as the U.S. hits yet another grim milestone. Tuesday, the deadliest day of the pandemic, as a record more than 124,000 people fight the virus in the hospital. From Boston to New York, churches ringing their bells to honor those American lives lost. Like Louisiana Congressman-elect Luke Litlow, dying from COVID at just 41 years old, a married father of 2. And in California, the surge continues to rage.
After the Christmas holiday season, I'm scared to death, honestly. I just look back on New York City and Italy, and that's what we feel like right now.
75 U.S. military personnel being fitted for their PPE as they deploy to 4 Southern California hospitals in dire need. Across the country, North Carolina in a staffing crisis too.
We are preparing for what would equivalent be of a hurricane or a tsunami.
And in Chicago, Deborah Simontel is struggling to process her daughter Sarah's death. The normally healthy 18-year-old tested positive with mild COVID symptoms the weekend before Christmas. She died 1 week later.
No parent should ever have to watch their child go through that. Nobody.
That victim, just 18 years old. Kaylee Hartung joins us now live from a hospital in Los Angeles. Kaylee, I know you have some new reporting on the patient in California with the new variant of COVID-19 as L.A. County, where you are, reaches a grim milestone of 10,000 deaths.
Yes, Tom, that patient is a 30-year-old man in San Diego, and he has no history of travel. Tonight, the CDC is screening for the variant across the country, and they're reminding us that while the variant is thought to be more contagious, it has not been found to be more deadly. Experts believe it will respond to the vaccine. Tom.
Good to know. Okay, Kaylee, thank you for that.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.